Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and searching Secure Folder. This gets the process moving immediately. Sign into your Samsung account so the feature can link to cloud backup and enable a lock type, PIN or biometric, so you control access. Once done, grant secure folder permissions for files, contacts, and apps. Without them, some app data won't move. Make sure storage allocation is sufficient, and accept any setup prompts so Secure Folder can create its isolated space. Now you add content. Tap Add Apps and pick apps already installed or install new ones directly into Secure Folder. When you move files, use My Files, select Items, then choose Move to Secure Folder so data is stored in the encrypted container. Once apps and files are inside, configure app locks and notification previews. This prevents sensitive content from appearing outside. Also set up automatic backups for Secure Folder, so you don't lose data if you reset the phone. To finish, set an auto-lock timeout and confirm backups to Samsung Cloud or local storage so recovery is possible. Test locking and unlocking the Secure Folder with your chosen PIN or biometric to verify that apps and files are truly protected and hidden from the main profile. If something fails, like apps not opening, clear Secure Folder cache, reboot, and if needed, re-register your Samsung account. That fixes most sync and permission issues without losing data if backups exist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.